Good evening, everybody. This is Magic Chef Nate. I'm making spaghetti dinner. I'm boiling up 1 pound spaghetti noodles in boiling water. Just season with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of salt. I just cooked up 1 pound of ground turkey. Just cooked it in a pamper chef raw saute pan. Tomato sauces I used was everyday favorite with meat, and the almond one was flavored every day with tomato, garlic, and onion. Everything was seasoned with salt, black pepper, oregano, whole thyme, parsley, and rosemary. Stay tuned for the finished result. Finished result is spaghetti pasta with ground turkey. Tomato sauce I used was flavored with meat. Almond was everyday tomato and onion. Like, comment, share, and